everyone, it's really good to see you here. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about a very important thing. As we all know, in today's world, typing is something that we do often, right? And if we do typing, there is 100% chance that you are going to misspell something or you do some grammatical mistakes. So to save you from that, today I'm going to talk about how you can add a Chrome extension which can help you in order to get rid of all those problems. So just type this. Quillbot. This is a very important extension which can be useful for you for anything. So just type this Quillbot AI grammar and writing tool. Just add this to your Chrome extension. Here you can see that there are so many users who are already using it. And the reason is that it's very important and helpful tool. So once this tool got added to your Chrome, now it's time to check whether it's working or not. So let's go. So I'm going on GPT and then I'm trying to write a paragraph which has spelling and grammatical mistake, and the topic is future of AI. So it has given me this particular paragraph. Now I'm going to copy this and then opening a new document, and here I am going to paste that. So you can see that this is the content and it has so many grammatical and spelling errors. So let's go here on the extension part and then click on Quillbot. So you have to log in first in order to use it. So once you have logged in that, now you can just simply get the idea for that. So you can select any of this. Things will be very different in the future of AI. Line by line, it's going to suggest you whatever the suggestion it has, and according to that you can optimize your writing, optimize your search results and so on. So I guess that this is a helpful tool and you are going to obviously get a lot from it, and this is going to be your friend, I know for sure. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.